If you don't want to buy the premium version of Elementor, then there are few free add-ons available which can be easily used with the Elementor without any problem. So these add-ons are just plugins and can be easily installed. Just we have installed the various plugins in the previous videos. So these add-ons are, many add-ons are available for Elementor, like Essential add-ons for Elementor, Premium add-on for Elementor, Live Mesh add-on for Elementor, Elementor add-on Elements, HT Mega Absolute add-on for Elementor Page Builder, and so on. Let's install Essential add-on for Elementor, my favorite one. Once you install it, enable all and save the settings. Go back to all pages and the home page on which we are working. You will see now there are essential add-ons. These add-ons are very useful. Make use of them. Let's make our headline like this. Use fancy text element for this purpose. First, change the prefix text. Then enter fancy keywords 3 to 4 words using fancy text settings. Enter suffix text. From style, change the color and typography settings. First for prefix text, then for fancy text, and lastly for suffix text. That's all. Your fancy text is here. Before I move to the last section, let me make some important changes in the header section. Just notice, when I scroll down, the menu disappears. But here it doesn't disappear. This is called sticky header. If I want to use the menu every time, I need to go to top. Let us make our header sticky. Install the plugin Ocean WP Sticky Header, refresh the page and scroll down it. Yes, our header is sticky now. Congratulations. How to make changes for responsive view? Now the most important feature of Elementor plugin. You can see the responsive view of your website. That means how it will look at mobile phone or at tablet. You can also make adjustment according to the device. Let us see how our website will look in mobile phone. From responsive mode, select mobile preview. This is the mobile preview. I want to make headline in a single row. So let us decrease the text size for mobile phone using typography. Now it looks fine. These changes will be applicable only to the mobile phone, not to other versions of our website. This is how it will look in tablet. You can adjust it. This is the menu for tablet and mobile phone. Now, let's have a final look at our website. Oops. What is this? It's not displaying the page that we have just developed with the help of Elementor. Don't worry. Actually, we have to set our home page as a static page. Go to Appearance, Customization, select Static Page. Which page? The page that you have designed with Elementor. Yes, it is there. Now publish it, refresh the home page, thumbs up. Great, your website is ready. So with this, we have completed our module number 8. During this module, I covered various aspects of plugins that can be used in WordPress websites. Now, it's not possible for me to discuss all the plugins here in this course because that will be a never-ending task. But I have one tip for you. Just think something creative that you want to bring to your website and just search for the plugins and install it. You will see that your dreams will come true. Thank you so much.